Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create, I forgot her name, Zendaya from The Greatest Showman. I don't remember her name in the movie, but let's get started with this video. I did use some VIP items for this. I'm just going to remove everything here except for the hair. I used this hair in FF9191 and this hair in no bangs in the same color. Position the X and Y to 0.54, Z to 0.46, and then scaled it down to 0.37. Then for the outfit itself, I used this from VIP. This one in this purple, and also used it for this one in light silk, and then light silk in this purple. I think I'm just going to make it a little bit lighter to match the rest. Grab this in the same color in light silk, and then I'll do the same purple. Then I used this color, I think this one. Then we are going to grab this from the World Cultures area. This one in purple. And then that same like brown color for the flower too. For the shorts, I am going to just use shorts because I can't find the one that's like that. But I'm going to, actually let me see this one. It doesn't have that like, I mean the fur trim could work, but I really like the frills on the shorts that they have here. So, oh, actually I didn't use this, but this is way better. So I'm just going to use this in, oh, I can't change the, I can't change the thing though. Let me see if we have a pattern that's like, I'll use the one from the Valentine's one because you can change the like material a bit, and I want it to be silk, so let's do that instead of the coats. Or maybe if we put that, okay, that doesn't really show that much anyways. If I color it this color, okay, then we're going to add boots. We're going to use the boots from codes. Where is it? This one. In the long one, color it this color 8E724D for all of it, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Oh, forgot one thing. I don't know if it's gonna show up though. It has to be like super light. But yeah, that is it for this video. I think I'm just going to color it the skin color and then a little bit lighter. Hold on, here it is. Just make it a little bit brighter for like the tights. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.